everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Randa from Randa Diamond Paints, and today I have a post review for you guys. Ignore how hairy and gross the back of this canvas is because I have two pets that shed on everything I own. So today I'm going to be doing a post review of a Diamond Art Club kit that I just finished, and I am so excited to show you guys the end result. I did share a picture over on my Instagram. If you don't know, I just started an Instagram account. I will put the link to it down below and my username so you can go check it out in the description if you want to see like a full picture of the completed project, but I'm going to talk a little bit more in detail about it in this video. And that kit is, flip it over. That is Rounding Up the Dust Bunnies by Randall Spangler. And this kit is large-ish. Large. It's a 56 by 71 centimeters, so it does not fit fully in frame. Most of my kits don't fit fully in frame, but I'll show you section by section. Look at how amazing he is. If you don't recognize the draglings, the little baby dragons, this is a piece by Randall Spangler from Diamond Art Club. It is licensed artwork to Randall Spangler, and this one is called Rounding Up the Dust Bunnies. And it's called that because he's sweeping up these little dust bunnies at the bottom. Look at them. I love this kit. This was a square kit, square diamond kit, and it had 54 colors in it. And I really, honestly, I was debating even purchasing this in the first place when I first saw it specifically because of this creepy old man in the background, this portrait of this man. I decided I loved the little dust bunnies so much and the little draglings so much that I was just gonna kind of ignore this piece in the background. But honestly, with the finished product, he's much less creepy in diamond painting form than he is in the original artwork. So I love this kit. I really, really enjoyed it. It took me, I think, exactly a week to finish. So exactly 7 days to finish this kit. And it does have 2 ABs in it. One of them was a white AB that showed up a lot in the dust bunnies down here, and then also just like on his arm and in the broomstick and the tops of the books and just everywhere that you would get like highlights hitting. And also there was a green AB, which you see 90% of the time in Randall Spangler kits, that runs through the dragling scales on his arms and on his legs, and then in his face as well. There's a bunch of them. It also was running through these, you see these like leaves over here? They have them in this corner and in this corner, and then also in the, this is a lot of shifting, in these little green jewels in the pots there, which also had some white ABs in them as well. But watching this kit come to life as I did it was just incredible, because the way that, I mean, Diamond Art Club always has absolutely gorgeous rendering. They have a very distinct rendering style, very clean cut, and I am personally obsessed with it. And that really came through with this picture, with this kit, is that everything just looks so clear. You can read the words here on the book, From Dusk to Dawn, and then I believe this says the Dust Does. I understand Dusk to Dawn, I don't understand this reference, but anyway, you can see all of the little details and the swirlies, and you can see all of his little scales in his arms, and like all of the, what is this called? Like the streaks on the glass here, for this is supposed to be like a painting. I just like ripped a drill out on accident. Shove that back in there. Ugh. Oh, come on. I did have a little bit of popping on this kit. And so that's why I just ripped a drill out of the canvas on accident. But that is not the kit's fault, I don't believe. I believe that's my fault, because I did start with this kit when I got to this section up here with like big color blocking sections of these blues. And also I was at the very top of the kit. I was so excited to finish. And so I pulled out an 8-placer multi-placer, which I have never done before. I've never gone any higher than a 4-placer, which is my favorite multi-placer if you didn't know. And so I did totally, like, if you can kind of see how uneven those drills are at the top, it's like, yeah, that's my fault for absolutely butchering the 8-placer and not, you know, making it as even as it should have been. So, and being as careful maybe as I should have been. So it did result in a little bit of popping, but I just, you know, roll it up with the diamonds facing out and it's done okay. You know, 90% of the diamonds are staying put, and then the ones that I placed awkwardly because I was using an 8-placer pop occasionally, but they're still, I haven't lost a drill on this canvas yet. They're all still here. And I just loved, I think I got distracted. I was talking about the rendering, but one of the things that I love most about the rendering, for whatever reason, that I didn't even notice in the original picture, but that I notice here, is the shadow of the broom coming up his stomach, where like you can see the big fat part of the broom down here at the bottom, and then the stick as it goes up his stomach, and the shading throughout. What are these? Like his belly rolls, pretty much. That's kind of what they're just like little rolls along his belly. And like the shading where you can see the shadow from his neck, or from his head, sorry, that's coming down onto his chest. And then like the shadows that you get like under here. Like it's just, the detail in this kit is unbelievable. Oh my God, I just love it so much. This is the very first Randall Spangler kit that I have ever worked on. I have 5 more of them in my stash currently, and I bought them all before I even finished this one, before I even started this one. So I was just obsessed with the little draglings. Look at how freaking cute they are. Look at his little hand. Come on, he's got a little tiny hand. And he's got another little tiny hand right there. Anyway, this kit was gorgeous. And I wish, I was telling my boyfriend, it's like, if I had a craft room, or if I had like a dedicated diamond painting space. We live in a 1-bedroom apartment. It's like a whole 700 square feet. So I just don't have that kind of room. But if I did, this would get hung up in there like 100%, because this kit is so gorgeous. I have been diamond painting for maybe about 2 months now, and I have finished 9 kits, and this one is by far my favorite finish that I have completed. If you are on the fence about this kit and you're not 100% sure whether you want to purchase it or not, do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Because look, like, how could you not love that? I love the detail of the jars. I love the, let me show you, the shading and the rendering of the floor here. And then the little flecks of ABs throughout that's supposed to be like little pieces of dust. Like, come on, it's so amazing. So amazing. So, yeah, that's sort of what I had to say about this kit, was that I loved it so much. And if you like square drills, you'll really like this. I think square drills lent itself really well to this canvas because it brought out all of those little details that I was talking about that sometimes don't get captured as well with rounds depending on the kit. I think the size for this was perfect. I wouldn't have gone any bigger, but I also wouldn't have gone any smaller, because then you would lose some of this detail that I love so much. So I think they did a fantastic job with this kit. I am so excited to work on my other Randall Spangler pieces. And I'm obsessed. I'm absolutely obsessed. If, like I said, if you're thinking of getting this kit, just do it, because wow. So I was so impressed. This kit is currently in stock on the Diamond Art Club website, and of course I will link it down below. I also did an unboxing of this kit, if you are interested, that is already posted on my channel. So if you want to scroll down, it's like my second video I ever posted, and that is an unboxing of this kit if you're interested in seeing that as well. I also show it in a few other videos, like my patty wax video. You could see where I was working on like the bottom part down here. You can see that in that video. So if you're interested, go and check out some of my other videos, because this shows up in a few of them. And like I said, go to Instagram for the full finished picture. That's all I have to say about this kit. Is I am absolutely in love, and I 10 out of 10 recommend. It gets from 1 dragling to 10 draglings. It gets 10 draglings, okay? It's just, that's how wonderful this is. So that is it for today's video, you guys. Just a quick little post review to share with you what I thought about this kit, and how gorgeous and how fun it was to work on, and how I highly, highly recommend that you go get your hands on this if you're thinking about purchasing it. Do it, because it's in stock at the moment. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!